Does your C8 simply not have enough power to keep up with the competition? Let us take care of your problems with Nitrous Express's all-new LT2 C8 Corvette Nitrous plate system. What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, back to bring y'all C8 owners the power adder of your dreams. Our C8 Nitrous systems feature Spraybarless technology for the ultimate in atomization and distribution. The billet aluminum plate is designed to bolt in between your throttle body and intake, making installation quicker and easier than ever. Our Lightning Series solenoids are made of billet aluminum and carbon fiber for the ultimate in performance and weight savings. We even include custom solenoid mounting brackets with custom linked lines to help keep the installation as simple and attractive as possible. And to keep things even easier, we've included a direct plug-in fuel line adapter so that there is no need for you to cut your factory fuel lines. We've truly outdone ourselves on this one. If you don't believe us, just look at how awesome this system looks once it's fully installed. This is a complete Nitrous Express system and comes with everything you'll need to install it properly, including a master arming switch, a wide open throttle switch, custom solenoid mounting brackets, stainless braided nitrous and fuel lines, a 40 amp relay and relay harness, jetting for 50 to 250 horsepower, and finally, systems ordered with a nitrous bottle include our industry-exclusive billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. If you're looking to have fun with the C8 and don't know where to start, choose Nitrous Express. If you have any questions about this system or would like to see any of our other available products, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.